Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by establishing a perfect base circle so proportions stay accurate. Draw it using quick shape and hold to lock. Once done, pick a mid-tone as the sphere's core color and place it on its own layer so you can edit without harming the outline. Now add a separate layer above for basic shading. Set that layer to multiply to build shadow depth efficiently. Make sure your light source direction is decided early. That choice drives highlight and shadow placement. Now you deepen form. Select a soft airbrush and paint gradual shadow toward the opposite side of the light source, keeping opacity low for control. Once the main gradient reads correctly, add a darker rim near the edge and subtle ambient occlusion where the sphere meets an implied surface to anchor it. Then, on a new layer set to overlay or add, paint a small bright highlight where the light directly hits. That contrast sells volume. Keep strokes light and build up slowly to avoid banding. Finish by refining edges and blending. Use the smudge tool at low strength or a low opacity brush to smooth any harsh transitions so the sphere feels tactile. Add tiny specular dots and a soft reflected rim under the shadow to imply surface gloss and a surrounding environment. If needed, duplicate layers and merge a visible copy to apply subtle Gaussian blur or color correct without losing originals. If things go wrong, revert to those separate layers. Work non-destructively so you can tweak lighting or saturation easily.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.